In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Noon app on Android. This process is straightforward and will help you access a wide range of products and services available on the Noon platform. Let's get started. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. You can find the Play Store icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. It usually looks like a colorful triangle. Once you tap it, the store will load various apps available for download. This is the gateway to finding the Noon app and many others. If you haven't logged in yet, the store might prompt you to do so. Just enter your Google account credentials and you will be ready to explore. Next, tap the search bar located at the bottom toolbar of the Play Store. This is where you will type in Noon. The search bar is usually a long rectangular box, and tapping it will bring up your keyboard. As you type, suggestions may appear, but make sure to type the full name to find the correct app easily. This step is essential because it directs the store to look specifically for the Noon app, which saves you time. Now, look for the official Noon online shopping and grocery app. It should be published by Noon e-commerce. Be cautious to select the official version, as there may be similar apps with different features. The official app will have the Noon logo, which is a distinctive yellow and black design. Selecting the correct app ensures you have access to the full range of services and features that Noon offers. After you have selected the correct app, tap the Install button to download and set it up on your phone. The Install button is usually located near the top of the app page. When you tap it, the download will begin and you will see a progress bar. This step is crucial because it initiates the installation process. Once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your device. You will see a confirmation once the installation is complete, letting you know the app is ready for use. Once the app is installed, you can find it in your app drawer or on your home screen. Look for the Noon icon and tap on it to open the app. This is an exciting moment because you are now ready to explore various shopping options and groceries available at your fingertips. You will see a welcoming interface that invites you to browse through categories, offers, and promotions. This ease of access makes shopping convenient and efficient. Now you are all set to start using the Noon app. You might want to create an account or log in if you haven't already. This will give you a personalized shopping experience. Take your time to explore the app and discover the numerous products available. The app is designed to make your shopping experience seamless and enjoyable. That's it. You have successfully downloaded the Noon app on your Android device. Enjoy shopping and discovering all that Noon has to offer. Remember, if you encounter any issues, you can revisit the Play Store or check the app for help. Happy shopping!